The one thing we repeatedly heard about in New Zealand was black water rafting. We knew we had to try this and made the drive to the town of Waitomo, which has become famous for its underground cave system. This half-day adventure started where you might expect, in a sheep field, and soon moved into an underground river system complete with inner tubes and glowworms. Unfortunately, they don't allow cameras, but the guides from Kiwi Cave Rafting took pictures for us. After climbing our way back to the surface, we headed to Otorohanga to see the Kiwi Bird Sanctuary, which not only had kiwi birds, but a whole host of other birds along a nice walking path. Making the most of the daylight, we then headed to the Ruakuri Scenic Reserve, where we completed a 1-hour loop walk. Despite a little bit of rain, it ended up being one of the best short walks we've ever done.